customize your lock screen on Motorola Edge 50 Neo, first we'll need to open our settings. Then look for the lock screen options. Enter lock screen, and here we can customize our lock screen. And you can customize everything within those thin borders that you can see. So for example, we can change our clock faces. We can also change the notification style. And we can add and remove two widgets. If you want to remove widgets, make sure it's selected to none. If you want to add them, just pick whichever app or icon you would like to use as that widget. Now let's see our lock screen after we changed it. So here are the both widgets that I've added. I've changed the notifications style and also changed my clock style. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.